Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the common issues you might face with your single needle sewing machine and, most importantly, how to fix them. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about skip stitches. This is when your machine misses a stitch, leaving gaps in your seam. This can be caused by a few things. First, your needle might be bent or damaged. Replace it. Second, the needle might not be the correct size or type for your fabric. Always use the right needle for the job. Third, check your thread. Is it good quality, and is it threaded correctly? Rethread the machine, ensuring the thread is in the tension discs. Finally, timing issues can cause skipped stitches, so if the problem persists, consider a professional repair. Next, we have thread breakage. This is incredibly frustrating, but often easily solved. First, check your thread. Is it old, brittle, or of poor quality? Replace it. Second, is your thread path smooth? Remove any obstructions like lint. Third, make sure the tension isn't too tight. Adjust the upper tension dial. If your bobbin thread is breaking, check the bobbin case for burrs or damage. Finally, ensure the needle is the right size, and that the needle is inserted correctly. Then, we have fabric jams. This occurs when the fabric gets stuck under the needle or in the machine. First, ensure you're using the right needle and thread for your fabric. Second, try using a stabilizer. This is especially helpful for delicate fabrics. Third, don't pull or force the fabric through the machine. Let the feed dogs do their job. Fourth, check your bobbin area for thread. Nests or fabric scraps that might be causing the jam. Clean this area regularly. Another issue is uneven stitching. If your stitches are inconsistent in length or tension, a few things could be happening. First, check your thread tension. Adjust it according to your fabric. Second, make sure your presser foot pressure is correct. Third, check your feed dogs to ensure they are clean and functioning correctly. Finally, make sure the fabric is feeding evenly under the needle. Lastly, let's look at tension problems. Too tight tension can cause puckering, while too loose tension leads to loops. For upper thread tension, start with the dial at a moderate setting and adjust from there. For bobbin tension, if you suspect an issue, you may need to adjust the screw on the bobbin case. Always test on a scrap of fabric first. If you're not comfortable with this, a professional adjustment is advisable. These are some of the most common issues you'll encounter. With a little troubleshooting, you can keep your machine running smoothly and your projects looking great. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!